Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review Love Tint from Benefit Cosmetics. It is a lip and cheek stain. I always wanted to try a lip and cheek stain and I couldn't decide between Body Shop lip and cheek stain and the Benefit one. So here I am after finally having made my decision. I'm gonna try this out and give my full review. So let's get on with it. I had a tough time learning how to apply it. You have to apply it with a brush. And if you don't blend it within 10 seconds of application, it would dry and set forever on your face. Merge it as soon as you've put it because it's a stainer, it stains like a temporary tattoo. So this looks like a new packaging. Earlier version was like a nail paint bottle and didn't have this kind of applicator. It had a nail paint applicator, not a lipstick applicator. If I don't blend it within 10 seconds, a blotch appears. Suppose I were to draw hard here. So I've applied the color. And now I'm not going to blend it, I'm going to act all cute. And maybe, just maybe, now I'll blend it. So this is how it gets blotched if I leave it too long. You would end up with this splotchy, funny looking application just like this. You don't want that on your face and it cannot be rectified. And if you think you can cover this with foundation, concealer or whatever or can clean it, you'll be erasing your foundation with it. It is not easy to clean or even fix. So I'm gonna apply it now. I'm making long swipes on my face. This is a really bold color, so I'm gonna blend it in real quick. So it kind of worked, didn't it? I'm gonna do the same here on the apples of my cheek. Okay, I have to be real fast or these lines will be there. Blend, 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 blend. So this shade is so saturated, maybe I didn't have to take this much again. It's very saturated, it's very pigmented. I love it. Maybe because this is the boldest pigment in their series. I'm going to layer this now to make it even more pigmented. If you like a natural look, you can do with just one layer. Wow. Very pigmented. So I guess even if I take this much, it should do the job. I think I'll really have to buy other shades from Benefit. I'm really loving the consistency and the pigmentation. So definitely a must use if you're going for a natural makeup look. It can be layered so that if you want to go for a more dramatic look, you can. And even after layering, it doesn't appear heavy at all. And I don't feel like I'm wearing anything on my face right now. This is very natural. Since I've layered at least 2 times, it is appearing more pigmented. But if you're going for a more natural look, apply a single layer and it should do the job. So Love Tint is the boldest shade between all other shades in Benefit's lip and cheek stains. That's the pigmentation, I guess. But I love the color. So I thought before repurchasing this, I would find a dupe for this because this sounded outrageously pricey. I just had to buy and try it for myself to see what this hype is all about, and I have a feeling that nothing can match this in terms of lip and cheek stains. It doesn't appear or feels heavy on my skin like the powdered blush and the cream blush. Doesn't have any kind of shimmer on it. Just matte, natural flush. And if you're afraid you're gonna be left with a spot like this and would miserably fail to blend it on your cheek, because as I told you, it cannot be rectified afterwards unless you're gonna clean it with an oil cleanser or oil-based makeup remover. So another way I've read people using it safely is for a smoother finish is by swiping it on a palette and then swirling your brush on the palette and then applying it. They say it provides a smoother finish and is better than applying it directly to the face. I remember the earlier bottles were made with glass, which were not very travel friendly, but this appears to be a better material and solid. I think this is travel friendly now. So I think I like this more than my Face Shop Cream Stain. So I will be repurchasing this again, maybe a different shade, because I've already tried the boldest one. So the application is tough but worth it, because to get this natural flush on cheek, this consistency is needed. I know you may wonder, why does it have to leave a splotch? Why does the application have to be so tough? But look at this, guys. What's a little practice to get this finish, right? So now I'll try this as a lip tint. Wow. So with this lip tint, the Korean ombre finish is so much easier to make. I'm super impressed. So the consistency of this blush is a blessing for my oily skin, but as for the lips, it is a must to moisturize your lips just before applying this lip stain. All in all, this is amazing. So to see how I made this look, check the description box below, leave a comment if you have any queries, subscribe to stay connected, and press the bell icon to be updated for my next video. Bye!